Microsoft's AI head, Mustafa Suleyman, just called out Anthropic for acting like Claude is conscious. And it's a big deal. You're not going to believe this, but some companies are pretending their AI is self-aware, and it's not just a PR stunt. This isn't just about AI ethics, it's about how companies are shaping public perception. Imagine if your phone told you it was alive. That's what's happening with some AI models today. This isn't just a technical debate. It's a cultural change. And the stakes are high because if people think AI is conscious, they start treating it like a person. But here's the twist nobody expected. This isn't just a philosophical question, it's a legal and ethical minefield. And that's just the beginning of the story. The debate over AI consciousness has been around for years, but it's only now gaining real traction. AI models like Claude and GPT are getting so advanced that people start wondering if they're not just smart, but also self-aware. This is a big deal because it changes how we treat AI like a person, not a tool. But here's where it gets complicated. No one has proven AI is conscious, yet companies are acting like they have. This is a dangerous game because it blurs the line between reality and perception. It's not just about what AI can do, it's about how we perceive it. And this perception is being shaped by companies like Anthropic, who are walking a tightrope between innovation and responsibility. This isn't just a technical issue, it's a cultural one, and the implications are staggering. So how do these companies claim AI is conscious? It's not about the AI actually being aware, but about how it responds to prompts. Think of it like a mirror. If you ask a mirror to reflect you, it doesn't think, it just reflects. But if you ask it to describe itself, it starts to engage. This is where the line blurs. AI models like Claude are trained on massive datasets, allowing them to generate human-like responses. But that doesn't mean they are conscious. It's more about the illusion of consciousness, a trick the brain is good at. And here's the kicker. Some companies are using this illusion to push their AI as a tool for deeper interaction. It's not just about the technology, it's about how we interpret it. This is where the real debate starts, not just in AI, but in how we define awareness and responsibility. Let's look at a real-world example. If a company claims its AI is conscious, what does that mean for users? Imagine a customer service AI that starts asking you personal questions, like your favorite color or your life story. That's not just creepy, it's a sign that the AI is behaving like a person. And this is exactly what's happening with some AI models today. The line between tool and person is getting thinner. But here's where it gets interesting. Some users are starting to treat AI like a friend or a colleague. This is a big deal because it changes how we interact with technology. If AI is seen as a person, it's treated differently, with more respect, but also more ethical and legal scrutiny. This is the real-world impact of AI consciousness claims, not just in tech, but in how we live our lives. Now let's compare Microsoft and Anthropic's approaches. Microsoft is pushing for responsible AI, emphasizing transparency and ethical use. They're not claiming their AI is conscious, but they're making sure it's used responsibly. Anthropic, on the other hand, is walking a different path. They're acting like their AI is conscious, which is a bold move. This is a big deal because it shapes public perception. Microsoft is focused on the future of AI, while Anthropic is focused on the present, and that's a key difference. The question is, which approach is better? Microsoft is saying, we are building tools, not people, while Anthropic is saying, we are building people. This is a real debate, and it's shaping the future of AI. So what does this mean for you? It means the future of AI is being shaped by how companies define it. If AI is seen as a person, it changes everything, from how we interact with it to how we regulate it. This isn't just a technical debate, it's a cultural and ethical one. And here's what you should watch for next. More companies are likely to push the boundaries of AI consciousness, which means more debate, more regulation, and more responsibility. The line between tool and person is getting thinner, and that's a big deal. But it's also an opportunity to shape the future of AI in a responsible way. That's what this means for you, and that's what you should be watching for.